Hi, my name is Arnav, and I go to Cupertino High School. I'm currently a rising junior, and the project that I chose to do was a gesture-controlled car. This is my second milestone video, and in this milestone, I got my accelerometer to work with my Arduino. I got it to print out the values of its orientation in a simple program and run a sensor test on it. So, as you can see over here, this is my Arduino Micro, and this is the accelerometer. So it's plugged into the port in the Arduino Micro and is being given power. And I will show you that it's printing my outputs. Here you go. And if I open the sensor test program and click upload, it should upload, and I'll open the serial monitor to see its outputs that it's printing. So as you see over here, it's starting off in the default position, and it's constantly printing outputs. So you see on the X, if I print the accelerometer forward, it prints out larger X values, and if I tilt the accelerometer backwards, it prints out smaller X values. And this is the same for Y. If I print it right, if I tilt it left, it prints out larger values, and if I tilt it right, it prints out smaller values. And if I flip it upside down, you can see that the Z actually goes smaller. And if you keep it right side up, the Z is larger. So this works. This works basically as a gyro sensor for the car, and it would be attached to the glove. So the glove, if you tilt it forward, it will read that the accelerometer is actually tilting forward, and thus send control to the car to move forward. So some problems that I faced when making this was the library and reading the API for this program was quite hard because I had to read in a bunch of new information of a sensor I've never used before, and then actually figure out how it works and be able to fully utilize the API. So this was quite hard. Also, figuring out which pins go where and configuring it with the micro was quite hard, but in the end, I got it working. And this is a large step in the process of making my final robot. So my next steps would be to figure out the motor and figure out the motor controller and how to power the DC motors. And then I'll just assemble everything together. Thank you.